Phenom Pressure Washing takes pride in providing our customers with the best experience when entrusted with their property. Your property is our top priority. We are not just a typical cleaning company, we're your partner. Don't just take our word for it, listen to what our customers have to say about us. Aston says, "They do an absolute amazing job. Devin and his wife, Britney, came same day to perform the service. Can't wait until you guys come back in the spring. Thanks again." Cyrus Stevenson says, "Did an amazing job on my investment property. Highly recommend. Very responsive, fair pricing, and did everything in a timely manner. Providing luxury pressure washing services for your properties. Call us now and get a free estimate."